Hello guys, today we are going to look on how somebody can be able to create a company in Kenya, and also we're gonna look on how you can be able to register your business under the new portal, that is the e-citizen portal. There is a document here. I'm going to share a link on where you're gonna find the details of how to create a company. I'm gonna include the link in the comment section so you can go through it. You can be able to see the requirements, if it's an SMA, if it is a sole proprietorship kind of a business, if it is a limited company, what will be the differences, what will be required for you to be able to register business name, and etc. And also I've outlined the steps you're gonna take to be able to find your unique business name, and also the steps you're gonna be able to go through to be able to create a business name under the e-citizen portal. We're going to do that step by step. So basically I'm not going to go through the document for now, but I will give you time. You go through the business at your own. If you're such a kind of a person who loves actually who loves reading, you're gonna go through this one. So straight away you can actually search e-citizen portal. So you're gonna copy it and open a new tab there, and you're gonna search e-citizen portal. So we're gonna get a number of sites from here which you can be able to choose, but basically make sure the link you choose starts from accounts.ecitizen.go.ke. So this makes it easier for you to be able to recognize what is the e-citizen portal. So upon clicking it, it's gonna take you to the login page. I don't for me it has remembered my cookies. So if you don't have an account, you can directly away create your account by just having an email address, having a phone number. Then basically make sure you have your ID details with you. So basically upon landing in the e-citizen portal, the easiest way to have this is go to BRS, that is Business Registration Service. But as of now, actually this is diverted to a new service of their own. So if you see here, you're gonna get the notice of the new system which was launched a year ago. By the time I was recording this video, it's 2024, and this was migrated on December 2023. So just you click on any of these tabs to be able to go to the new portal. So you see this is a BRS v2, and this is the BRS1 which we've been using prior to today. So after landing to this BRS2, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see a number of services offered in this portal. So in the dashboard, we're gonna have where you can be able to apply a number of things here. But basically for my side, I've already created a business name. So if you click on the dashboard, we have a number of things here which we're going to look on them. We are only actually interested with one, which is companies registry services. For the other services we'll discuss on a subsequent videos. So go to proceed on company register services. So here I have a few applications. Just go to make application here. After clicking make an application here, then choose the one which you want actually to do. So in our case, we want to do what we call RBN, that is a registration of a business name. So click on apply. So here on landing this one is where now you're gonna choose your three company or business names. Remember, the first one will be your most preferred name, the second one will be your second preferred name, etc. Make sure the way you arrange them, the first one is the one you probably feel you should be given. So in this case, if you have an affiliate which you want to link the entity to, you can choose from this side. Since it is a new company, I'm gonna choose no. So for example, let's say you're gonna produce what we call Pride Tech. Pride Tech company. So another thing you actually have to know is that they don't accept a single name company name, right? you have to give at least 2 names, because if you give 1 name, they're gonna reject. You're going to find the error here. If for example you take Pride Tech, it will accept only giving you a warning of already existing companies with the same name. So here, if we add the second name, that is what will be accepted, at least 2 names. If you don't feel, for example, to add a company in front, you can take Pride Tech Company and etc. So for example, that is our first name, and our second name, for example, we can take the same name, but here we change it to Pride Tech. For example, Pride Tech services. So make sure when you submit a word, there is no these warnings, because as much as these warnings are there, you will not be given that name. So if services is actually used, you can use, for example, dynamics. So make sure you already have 3 words. For me, I'm trying to come up with the names instantly, so dynamics is available. And lastly, for example, you can go to PrideNet Arena. Let's see if that is available. Fine. So our company names are actually simple, and we don't have any error now. Click on next. After click on the next, you're gonna see now the business registration information, so where you're gonna enter the address. So for example here, the applicant is Wesley, and you're gonna give the capacity of our company. For example, if it is who is Wesley? Wesley is the proprietor, for example. Then you give the address, for example, whatever, I'm just guessing. You give, for example, I'm located at City Square. Go next, choose your business category. For example, it is an occupational therapy. The body, you give it, but now here you have to choose a license. So basically what you usually do, we choose others. Then here you describe your business. So I'm going to copy just a random text, because I'm actually not doing a real application. So you describe your business, what it is and what does it do. And if you have any other documents, for example, company profile, make sure you attach it here, but it's not a must. If you don't have, you can leave it that way. So click on next. You're gonna choose now the addresses of your business. For example, I'm located at Kisii, maybe Kajiado district, locality Ungata Rungai, whatever. So you choose about the plot. So I'm going to guess here. I have not really email address. So for example, I can lead wesi at gmail.com. Then click on next. Make sure every details you give here is actually correct. Now you're gonna confirm, actually this should be a number. Then we're gonna make sure the number, actually we also have a country code there, +254. Now we're gonna actually choose the identification. For this one, I will do it offline, because it's gonna be more of my personal details. But basically what we do, click on add proprietor here, choose if you are a Kenyan or non-Kenyan, choose wherever you need there. Then here you're gonna choose the ID number. I'm going to do it offline and return back after I've filled it. So fine, I've done it. I've actually masked my my ID here. So everything looks fine now. So after adding all the details, I only had to cut that part because of the personal details related to my personal identity. So after that, click next. If you're 1, if you're 2 or 3, add them there. So click on next. Then here you're gonna download actually this form. So you're gonna download this form and make sure it is actually signed here. So after doing that one, make sure you upload your file. So I'm going just to upload a random file. Then after uploading your file, click on next. Then confirm your details. Then preview your details. Submit. So you confirm all your details there. After confirming your details, then click on complete. So that is it. I'm going actually to cancel this one. For another, for example, if you have an issue, you can do the comment section. I can be able to assist you promptly. Actually, I go through all the comments in my video, and I can be able to assist you on those issues. Bye bye, have a nice time, and remember to subscribe to this channel and daily like also the video.